Hello everybody and welcome back to the tutorial. So today we're going to print through a range of letters, or loop through a range of letters and loop through a range of numbers. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine called for next and letters. Okay, so I'm going to create the for loop starting with 4, and we're going to start from A and we're going to go all the way through to Z here. So that's A to Z, and then we create a scalar variable called letter, and then we're going to print them out using say. It's going to be a scalar letter. Okay, let's just run the program. Let's just add something a little bit more for that. So what we do here is I'll add a little bit extra on in a minute. For next letters, let's save that and let's just run it. Raku test.raku, hit enter. Okay, so what it's done, it's printed out from A to Z. Okay, so now I'm just going to clear that. And we're going to use next if on here, so we're going to paste that in about there. We're going to use this next if the scalar letter is greater than S. Save that. So it should print to S. Okay, so let's go Raku test.raku, hit enter. Okay, little bit of an error here. I can see that didn't, so let's just clear this. Let's try it again. Enter. Okay, there wasn't really an error there, it's just the IDE a little bit on the buggy side at times. So Raku test.raku, let's hit enter. Okay, so it's printed from A to S. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one, and this time for this we're going to do numbers. So let's just change this for numbers. So that's going to be for 1 to 100. We're going to create a variable here. I'm just going to call the variable num. So we're going to print from 1 to 50 here. So next if the scalar num is greater than 50. And now we print out the numbers, say scalar num. Save that, let's just save that there. Let's just clear this. Raku test.raku. Okay, so we printed there from 1 to 50. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, before you leave, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Thumbs up, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye-bye.